Hi, Michael here. I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Terry Samuels on his congratulatory for his schema course. And if you don't know who he is in reference to schema, you haven't been in the SEO game for long. So let me fill you in if you don't. Terry is a wealth of knowledge when it comes to schema. He's been able to do things with schema that other people have to spend countless hours between content and content editing and everything else in order to accomplish the same thing. He's run many tests where it shows that it's only just schema and it's a blank page, except it says something like, you know, my first WordPress or something along those lines. And it's impressive to say the least. If you want to be able to rank just about anything, whether it's affiliate sites, local sites, national sites, really doesn't matter. You need the schema course. And so many of you do or do not know who I am. But for those that you do know that I don't turn around and give, my word and back up something like this very often. So when I do, it actually really means a lot. But I hope that helps. And, if you're on the fence, I'm just going to tell you, just do it. You won't regret it. Just make sure that you actually do the course because that's where the gold is at.